think you know your animals. Let's put your knowledge to the test. Can you guess these animals just by their photos? It starts easy, but it gets harder. Ready? Let's go! Did you guess it? It's a cat. That's man's best friend, a dog. The gentle giant an elephant. The king of the jungle, a tiger. A colorful parrot. That's a kangaroo. Did you get this one? A penguin? The slowest mammal, a sloth. With those long legs, it's a flamingo. Cute and cuddly, a panda. The eucalyptus lover, a koala. This zebra-like creature is an okapi. That's not a fox, it's a red panda. The underwater cutie, an axolotl. A unique mammal, the platypus. The unicorn of the sea, a narwhal. This armored creature is a pangolin. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun challenges like this one. See you next time.